Do you guys know the difference between a type 1 and type 2 cation? It's actually really simple, okay? So type 1 cations have only one possible charge. So for example, sodium ion is always 1 plus, and cesium is always 1 plus. Magnesium is always 2 plus, and barium is always 2 plus. But when you get into the transitional metals, because of the way that the d electrons fill in, they do it in weird ways. You get these weird charges. So cadmium is always 2 plus, but copper can be 1 or 2 plus, and gold can be 1 or 3 plus. Let's look at lead, lead 2 and lead 4, and then tin 2 and tin 4. Now let's see how then we can put that together to make sulfides of that. All right? It's actually pretty simple. Let's look at the flashcards to make it easy to understand. Lead 2 is called lead 2 because it loses 2 electrons, gets a charge of 2 plus. You can see this with the ionic bond disk model. You see that? It's got 2 pluses there because it lost 2 electrons. And the same thing for lead 4. Lead 4 has got a charge of plus 4 or 4 plus because it loses 4 electrons. You can see that here, 4 plus. Makes it really simple. Now let's look at sulfide to make it see how we can put this together. Where's my sulfide card? Here it is. Okay, so sulfide, on the other hand, picks up 2 electrons because 2 minus. Okay, and then you can see that with the ionic bond disk model. You see it's got 2 minuses here because it's picked up 2 extra electrons. All right. Now, if we put this together with lead, let's say lead 2, what do you think the charge on lead 2 sulfide would be? Can you figure it out? What would it be? All right. We put it together, one like that, and now I got it put together. You see, we have lead 2, we got one of those and one of those. So the formula is going to be PBS. PBS. Now, what do you think the formula will be for lead 4 sulfide? Remember, lead 4 has got 4 pluses, and the sulfide's got 2 minuses. So what do you think the formula for lead 4 sulfide would be? Can you guess? So now you see we got 1 PB, 1 lead ion, and we have 2 sulfides. So the formula for lead 4 sulfide would be PbS2. It's simple, isn't it? It's not hard at all. Now, it works the same way with tin. Let's look at that. Tin 2 has got a charge of 2 plus. That's why it's called tin 2. All right? It loses 2 electrons. And let me just get my tin over here. So here it is, and you can see it's lost 2 electrons. This is what it's got a charge of 2 plus. And tin 4, in a similar way, where's that? Okay, here's tin 4. It loses 4 electrons. So it's got 4 pluses, and it's got a charge of 4 plus. So what do you think the formula is going to be for tin 2 sulfide and for tin 4 sulfide? Figure it out. So you can see for tin 2, you're going to have a formula of SNS. That's tin 2 sulfide. And for tin 4 sulfide, here's our tin 4. We've got this. So it'll be SNS2. Chemistry does not have to be hard with the right tools. Using the ion flashcards and the ionic bond disk model, it makes it so simple. Get the ion flashcards today from scienceglen.com or from Amazon. And the ionic bond disk model is available from scienceglen.com, and you can go to the shop there. All right, I'll put the link below. Thanks so much, guys. I always enjoy this. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving and ate way too much. All right, bye.